property investing, so property as an asset class, is almost certainly not going to be the best investment strategy for you. Now, don't get me wrong, it's an absolutely fantastic way to become wealthy over time. It's a great asset class, but it might not always automatically be the best investment class for everybody. Now, I do a lot of consultations. A lot of new investors come to me and ask and say, I'd like to invest in these sort of properties, or I'd like to do this particular strategy with properties. And the first thing I do is I always ask them what they're trying to achieve, what their current position is, how much they enjoy their job, if it pays well, and what they're looking to do in 2, 5, or 10 years' time. And the reason for this is because I want to understand if properties is going to be, if investing in properties is going to be suitable for them, and almost certainly it's not going to be suitable. And I'd actually just say, look, maybe look into stocks and shares instead. And the reason for this is because investing in properties comes with a lot of risk. You've got your tenant risk, you got your property risk, so your building risks, you got your lettings agent risks, you've got regulations and government risks, and it's really, really, really busy. It's very chaotic. If you're not prepared to put up with all these various risks, how chaotic it can be, then if you like your full-time job, it pays you, why not just put it into a low cost index fund instead, like the S&P 500 or the oil world? It might not give you the cash flow you're looking for, but it can be, again, it depends on your personal circumstance, it can be a better asset class. But similarly, if you've got a lot of time in your hand and you've got a lot of capital up front and you really like the bricks and mortar aspect of it, and you're looking for cash flow, maybe then investing in property is really suitable. But it's not a given that investing in properties is the best thing for everybody to do. Now, the most important thing is, however, that you should be investing. So stocks and shares, properties, any sort of well-proven asset class, but definitely do invest. Anyway, hopefully that's been helpful. Again, when people reach out to me asking to invest in properties, I pretty much try my best to turn them off it, because it isn't what you expect it to be. There's loads of risk. It's very chaotic. It's very noisy. But similarly, it can be ideal for that person. All right, hopefully that's been helpful. See you.